If you like tattoos, here we tell you how to do one temporarily. To start, we take tracing paper and trace a design with a pencil. Then we take alcohol for medicinal use and rub the skin where we make the tattoo. Immediately, place the tracing paper on the side where we draw. Using a damp cloth, we press on the paper so that the design is printed on the skin. Now, we remove and with an indelible marker draw on the pattern design. Once finished, put a little talcum powder on the drawing and rub gently. Then remove excess talcum powder. Finally, we put the thin layer or hair fixative and let it dry. Done! That's how easy we have created our own temporary tattoo.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.